Hello, this is Sidney Lynne with Hudson Homes. Here we are at another fabulous Hudson home. And wait till you see the quality. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 1,700 square feet home. Come on inside. Hi, Michelle.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have you come see this home.
This is so unique.
Yes, we sold it this weekend. It's so private back here, isn't it?
It's so quiet and the landscaping so pretty.
Such an oasis.
Wow, what an amazing view.
You're right. The builder took such attention to detail to put all these windows, and it's just light and bright in any weather.
So pretty.
Let's check this out. This could be an office, and it could double as a guest room when you have guests come too.
Definitely.
Yeah, beautiful. Hello, welcome to the primary suite here at 770 Northwest Pebblestone.
I love the high ceilings.
And a gorgeous view. Wow,
So
overlooking the fire pit and all the mature landscaping. What do you think about this bathroom, Michelle?
Oh, I love it. It's very spacious, actually. With the high ceilings. Oh my goodness, you should see this closet.
Another closet?
Yes. About a bedroom size.